Let us understand the benefits of having green roofs. Number 1. Stormwater management. Green roofs absorb and retain rainwater, reducing runoff and mitigating the risk of flooding. Number 2. Temperature regulation. Green roofs act as natural insulators, reducing heat absorption and minimizing the urban heat island effect. Number 3. Roof longevity. Green roofs can extend the lifespan of a building's roof by protecting it from weathering factors. Number 4. Wildlife habitat. Green roofs provide valuable habitats for birds, insects, and other wildlife in urban areas, contributing to biodiversity conservation. Number 5. Noise reduction. Green roofs act as effective sound barriers, reducing noise pollution from surrounding urban areas. Number 6. Improved air quality. Green roofs help improve air quality by capturing airborne pollutants and releasing oxygen through photosynthesis. If you need more details about green roofs, contact our experts today.